Hi. Today, I'm going to teach you how to read notations on a Rubik cube. First, I'm going to teach you what each side is called. Doesn't matter which side you're facing, which is facing you. It doesn't matter which side is facing up. Whichever way you're facing, this is still you. This is still R. Okay? So this is up, this is right, this is left, this is front, this is back, and this is down. So this is D because it's down, D for down, U for up, L for left, R for right, F for front, and B for back. And there's one other one. There's two, actually. This is M prime. So this is an M. And this is called Y. This is called X. Oh no, this is Y. This is X. If you're doing, so we are gonna make this into counterclockwise and clockwise. If a side is turning clockwise, it's called just the letter. If it's turning counterclockwise, then that means you add a prime to the end of it, which in letters, it would be an apostrophe. So this would be R, and this would be R prime. This would be U, this would be U prime. This would be L, this would be L prime. This would be F, this would be F prime. This would be D, this would be D prime. B is it's confusing, but it's B and B prime. Now, if you turn two of something, oh wait, I forgot. This is M prime, this is M. It's a little weird if you think about it, but just remember, M prime, M. Now we're going to do if there's two of something. That is not L. You could make that into one letter, make it L2, or R2, or U2. You get what I'm saying? B2, D2. Easy enough. M2. Then the X's and Y's. I don't really use X's and Y's that much. Just think of it as coordinates. Okay? In coordinates, this side is your Y, and this is your X. It's the same on a Rubik's Cube. This is X, this is Y. Y, X. It's basically like you're turning a 1 by 1, but you can't really turn a 1 by 1. So this would be X. This would be Y. What would this be then? This would be X prime. What would this be? Y prime. What is this? Y2. What's this? X2. Pretty simple, right? And that's basically it. Pretty easy. Let's do an example. What is this? R. What is this? R prime. What is this? D. What is this? D prime. What's this? M prime. What is this? M. What's this? L prime. L. U. U prime. M2. L2. R2. U2. Oops. U2. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and subscribe.